Hey Luz, back with another video. So today I am making fried chicken. So I have my clean chicken. We're gonna go in with some onion powder. We're going with some garlic powder. Some garlic salt. Kinder's caramelized onion butter. Tony's no salt. When it hit a color, we're gonna do cayenne pepper. Your chicken should be evenly marinated or chicken fried. Y'all, look at this crispy fried chicken. Okay. So let's taste. I cut my hand, but I'm okay. So. Okay. I have a special guest. Okay, special guest. Cheers. How was it?
Very crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Very flavorful.
Mm-hmm. What do you rate it?
8 out of 10.
Period. See y'all in this video.